It started with faith for all of them. Faith that maybe, just maybe, this thing that I can't totally understand might be real for me. And then they began the journey to develop the skills. With the skills, their confidence started to grow. So I'm going to ask you, even if you've been around for a while, to not be too cool for the skills. Not be too cool for what I'm going to share with you. Because either it's for you, or it's to give you a few ideas you can bring back to your team to be more of a positive influence with that team. So one way or the other, you're going to win. All right? So how many skills are the fundamental skills of the network marketing profession? There's 7 fundamental skills. Let me go through the 7 fundamental skills, and I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 on each one of these skills, where you're at this moment. Okay? Number 1, finding prospects, finding people to talk to. That's a skill. You got to develop this. If you're not sure who you're going to talk to, you got to work that out. Number 2, inviting. How do you get people to take a look? When I first got involved in the profession, I thought people would at least want to take a look. I was wrong. They don't even want to look, even want to understand. That's a skill. It's the gateway skill. If you don't figure this out, your career is going to be really, really short. If people don't take a look, they won't understand. If they don't understand, they don't participate. So, inviting, number 2. Scale of 1 to 10. Where are you on these first 2 skills? How would you rate yourself? Are you a 10? You a 2? You a 5? Do you let your upline do it for you? Where are you? Number 3 is presenting. How do you present to these people in a way that helps them see the picture, but also duplicates, so other people can do it too? How do you communicate your message of your product or your opportunity to the people? Are you good at that? Do you still need to work on it? Where do you put yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in presenting? Skill number 4 is following up. The fortune is in the follow-up. Most people aren't going to make a decision the first time you talk to them. It's going to take a little bit of follow-up. So in that follow-up, there's answering questions. There's overcoming objections. How do you deal with that? Are you okay with it? I went through 3 phases when it came to objections. I hated them at first. I just hated them. The objections showed up, I ran the other way. Seriously, I was like, some will, some won't, so what? I'm out of here. I'd run the other way because there's more people, I don't need to deal with this stuff. And I'd walk away from good prospects. And then I fought with them. People give me their objection, I'd fight with them like crazy. I'll tell you why you're wrong and why I'm right. Didn't work out so well. And then eventually I learned how to be a professional and deal with these objections and help these people get a clearer picture, a greater understanding of what I had to offer. So this is really important. Rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. Where does this land? Oh my God. Walking by this group, every one of them $1 million earners is a little freaky. It's like, oh, million. Oh, okay, million. Kind of cool. So, where do you rate yourself, scale of 1 to 10 with that? Next is closing, helping a person make a decision to become a customer or to become a distributor. Do you have too many people thinking about it? You haven't been able to help them make a decision? How do you help those people make a decision? How do you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? The duplication skill. You want to know what the duplication skill is? Is getting a new person started effectively. Helping that person get off to a quick start, helping them get some results, helping them create some commissions, customers, something. Because the clock's ticking. Person starts a traditional business, they'll give you 3 years before they start looking for results. But in network marketing, they'll give you 3 weeks. You better get some results in those first 3 weeks, because if you don't, It's easy to get in, it's easy to get out. Price of entry is so low. Like, I'll write it off, I'll do something else. So that's skill number 6. Well, how good are you with your systems to get people started effectively? Are you good? Are you strong? Are you solid? Or does it need work? Is it the same for everybody, or is it all over the board? Where do you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 on getting people started effectively? And then skill number 7, promoting events. This is the highest paying skill in all of network marketing. Your ability to get people, get butts in seats at your destination events, at your company conferences, at your regional events, at events like this, pays you so much money. It does so much of the work for you. If you're good at this, it solves a lot of the problems, and it gives you time to develop the other skills. If you could become just good at promoting. So